Alright, these are the elevators that serve the SpringHill Suites and Residence Inn wing of the building. It also triples as an AC hotel in Nashville, Tennessee. And we are stopping. Nothing. These got a bit different cabs. Here are 21. I like that touch screen. Very neat touch. Basically just like the other ones. Hey, I wonder if these got upgraded, to be honest. I think they had KSS 140 buttons back then. But they got a touchscreen upgrade. Well, here we are at 1. There it goes. That'll be it.